Okay, to solve these two problems, we're using these two corollaries from geometry, where we have a right triangle and we have an altitude onto the hypotenuse from the right angle. That creates similar triangles and allows us to deduce these two corollaries. And what this second one says is that the length of a leg of a right triangle, let's pick this one right here. This is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Just as an example, the leg is the geometric mean, or it's sometimes called the mean proportional, between the lengths of the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to that leg. That's this x here. So if I knew the 3, 4, 5 and I wanted to find the length of x, I would say 3 is the mean proportional between the hypotenuse and the projection of that leg onto the hypotenuse, or the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to that leg. So that would be the x. So we get 5x equals 9. By cross multiplying, x equals 9/5, or 1 4/5. That would allow us to find the length of this segment over here too, y. So for your problem, we want to find b. But the legs are 6 and 8. That means this is similar to a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and that this has to be 10. The multiple is 2. So 8 has to be the mean proportional between 10 and b. 8 is the mean proportional. Means you kind of go like this between b and 10, the entire hypotenuse. I'll let you solve that one. For this one, we're using this corollary. The altitude to the hypotenuse is the geometric mean of the lengths of the two segments of the hypotenuse. So we have to say that A is the mean proportional, that's the altitude, between the segments of the hypotenuse that it creates. That's between C and B. Well, I'll just put the C and the B here and make note of the fact that we solve for B over here, and that C must equal 10, take away whatever B is. So substitute those in here, and you get A squared equals BC. So A is the square root of B times C. And you have to get B and C from this previous problem. There you go. Hope that helped. And I didn't put the multiple choice answers here for the second one, but I'm sure you've got those available to you. If you have any questions, post a comment.